We're doing something a little different today. I've been seeing and hearing some things about Coke being used as a household cleaner, and there's definitely some stuff we need cleaning. So I'm putting about 220 milliliters worth of Coke in here. So we start with that, and then we're gonna add about a heaping tablespoon's worth of salt in there. Ooh, look at that fizz. That's cool. And this is supposed to create a pretty powerful cleaning agent, but we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. I think it needs just a little bit more salt. There we go. And we're gonna take this full thing, Dawn soap, that's about 220 milliliters. So about equal parts Dawn, equal, or whatever dish soap you want, and equal parts of Coke. Oh, wow. Look at that color it's making. Okay, once you have that all together, I have to get this mixed up. My wife loves all the clean hacks, so I'm hoping I can impress her with this one. All right, so we got it kind of shook up. And then what you can do, if you want to portion it out, just take that same dish soap bottle and pour it into there. So you can have a nice little squeeze bottle. I like being resourceful in our family. Okay, so let's test this thing out. All right, so y'all, we got this stainless steel pan that we use quite a bit, as you can see. We've had this stuff caked on here for a while. So when I heard about this being a thing, I was like, okay, I gotta try it on these things. So I guess we'll see if it works or not. I'm gonna put it generously on there, see if it makes this stuff come off. What I heard is you want to let it sit for just, 10 seconds or so before you start trying to scrub. Y'all saw how much was on there. Oh, it's really coming up. That's crazy, because this has been on here for like a year or more. I mean, we've had these since we got married. Okay. I'm gonna give it a little rinse and come right back and show you all the results. All right, let's see the results. Okay. It got most of it. There's still some little, if maybe it needs a couple more rounds of it, but it definitely got this stuff up. And I mean, we've had this on there for probably over a year now. It really did get up a lot of the stuff on there. So I'd say it's worth trying at home.